This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate blocks in Minecraft Bedrock. This method is straightforward and can help you acquire more resources quickly. Before we begin, it is crucial to create a backup of your world. This ensures that if anything goes wrong, your original progress remains safe. For this technique, you will only need a single chest and the specific blocks you intend to duplicate. To start, place a chest anywhere in your world. Open the chest and carefully place all the blocks you wish to duplicate into its inventory. Once the items are inside, close the chest. Now, the critical step, you must exit Minecraft without saving your world. On most platforms, this means force-quitting the application. Upon re-entering your world, you should find the items both in your inventory and still within the chest, effectively duplicating them. 6, 9, 12. Achieving perfect duplication often relies on precise timing. After placing your desired blocks into the chest, close it. Then, as a visual timer, quickly break around 10 blocks of grass in front of the chest. Immediately after breaking the last grass block, force-quit the game application. When you reload your world, you should discover the original items still in the chest, and a duplicate set will be in your inventory, ready for collection. 6, 9, 12. Remember, backing up your world is the most important step to safeguard your progress against any unforeseen issues. Game developers frequently release updates that may patch these types of glitches, so this method might not work indefinitely. Please use this duplication technique responsibly, especially if you are playing on a server, as some communities have strict rules against such exploits. Enjoy your newly acquired resources. 6, 7, 9, 12.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.